Good morning to all. So in this last video series, we have to see the major parameters of the gear teeth. Okay. Now we see the surface measurements. So the surface is the lightly roughness surface and also majorly smooth surface. Okay. Lightly roughness surface, majorly smooth surface. Okay. So the smooth surface is provided by the using the grinding wheel operations. Already you see the manufacturing technology lab, the grinding machines. So in this grinding machines, the main purpose is to produce the smooth surface of the object. Okay, and another one is the gear surface is very important in our gear life. Okay, so how to measure the gear surfaces means already I told the one of the important equipment for linear measuring instruments, comparators, that is the optical comparators and mechanical comparators. So these are the comparators is very important in our core area and also measurements areas. Okay, so the core comparator is the simply connect with the post and is directly connected with the plunger, dial gauge and also plunger. Plunger is a small ball type of plunger. That plunger is directly connected with the touch with the top surface of the gear. Okay, so simply I move the gear from this area to this area to this area means easily the plunger will be easily move on the gear surfaces. There is no pits or no damage means the plunger is not moved, so the dial gauge reading is also definitely 0. If any small holes or any problems, any defect means the plunger is moved on top surface to bottom surface or bottom surface to top surface. So that is the major problems. Okay, so in this major problem you have to mainly focus on the plunger is moved from top to bottom or bottom to top. So the dial gauge reading is also changed, one clockwise or anti-clockwise. If it needs for peak means the dial gauge is indicated move from clockwise directions, move to clockwise directions. If any valley means the like small peaks means the dial gauge indicator is move to anti-clockwise directions. So this is one direction, this is one directions. Okay, so so the main concept is like optical comparator means the light is moved on scales from right side to left side or left to right sides. Okay, so anyway optical means the optical lens light systems, electrical means the current systems, electronics means the wave systems. So anyway name onwards the different parameters will be changed, but your main target is to measure the surface of the gear, to measure the surface of the gear. The surface of the gear is very important in our core area. Okay, surface of the gear, that is a very important in our core area. Okay, so that's also very important. So this is one of the major portions, gear parameters and also gear surfaces. Gear surfaces is very important, and also mating of the gears. Mating of the gears is very important because the two gears is directly mated means definitely the power will be rotated from one area to another area. That is the rotation power. The rotation power is from one area to another area is definitely the power will be changed. So the transmission of power is very important. So in our third year, 6th semester, design of transmission subject is very important subject and also very interesting subject. So on this subject, how to design the spur gear, how to design the worm gear, how to design the helical gear, how to design the worm gear. So the lot of steps, lot of procedures will be included in our gear systems. Okay, so this is also one of the important role in core areas. So in upcoming videos series we have to see the screw thread parameters, like the same concept, gear so number of teeth, so the like also screw thread also number of threads. So how to measure the threads and how to measure the gears, so we have to see the upcoming video series. Okay. Okay, thank you.